2 million people die every year because of tuberculosis. 10 million people get tuberculosis every year. One person dies of drug-resistant tuberculosis in every minute. There are plenty of drugs to cure tuberculosis, but even the doctors face a challenge of not knowing which drug will work on which patient. And as a result of that, patients can be on ineffective medication for months, gambling their lives with trial and error. Let's take a look at how AI is being used in healthcare, specifically in quick diagnosis of drug-resistant tuberculosis through pathogen testing, genomics and AI. Prapti Jaiswal, the founder and CEO of Aarogya AI, a company that is looking into this technology, has to share.
23-year-old Sonu was diagnosed with tuberculosis. He lost one lung, hearing in one ear, and a majority of his parents' life savings. Sonu is a classic example of delayed diagnosis of drug-resistant tuberculosis. He's not the exception. In fact, 10 million people get tuberculosis every year. One person dies of drug-resistant tuberculosis every minute. There are 19 drugs to cure tuberculosis. But the problem is, doctors don't always know which one will work for whom. As a result, patients could be on ineffective medication for months, playing a game of trial and error.
Avlokita Tiwari, the co-founder and CTO of Aarogya AI, adds on how to overcome these challenges by
At Aarogya AI, we are marrying genomics with artificial intelligence to precisely diagnose drug resistance in pathogens 100 times faster than the gold standard. By using sequencing pathogen data that is infecting a patient, Aarogya AI algorithm produces a drug sensitivity report for the antibiotics that would cure the patient. Inspired by evolution itself, the Aarogya AI platform continuously learns from the genomic data and feeds the genetically correlated information back into the algorithm to make itself more robust.
Prapti also adds the benefits.
At Aarogya AI, we are going to diagnose drug-resistant tuberculosis using artificial intelligence in almost 5 hours instead of weeks. That's 100 times faster than the existing solution. Out of the 14,000 possible drug combinations, our algorithm can tell you exactly which one will work for you.
And the impact of this has been great.
We have access to 5,000 patient samples to build our machine learning algorithm. We have also on board 9 customers, including India's leading hospitals.
We're very privileged to be working with Niti Aayog, the BIRAC, and the Jan Care Innovation Grant we've acquired for pilot and deployment.
Prapti tells the relevance of pathogen testing.
Pathogen genomics is that it is pathogen agnostic. We draw inspiration from Bill Gates and beyond tuberculosis, intend to build this algorithm and scale it to other infectious diseases.
And also shares her views on how this has a very promising future.
The cost reduction and the technology now today exists as a portable point of care device. Can be connected to a laptop on site. That addresses your accessibility at the PHC level. So that as we are building our product, the ecosystem is becoming more and more accepting for it to actually affect patients at scale.
Therefore, on one hand, where this technology is helping reduce the time taken to diagnose TB from days to hours, on the other, the technology is being made available in a portable, easy-to-use format. This certainly works well for all patients who now don't need to depend on trial and error and are assured for better chances of surviving this disease. Hope you liked this video and thank you for watching. Don't forget to tune in to our other video case studies.